Hi, Mike Collinson here with the third in this series of videos. As you can see from the video, I'm still busy clearing the ground and reducing ground levels, so let's get going. On most projects like this, before you can really commence any serious work, the whole area needs to be cleared, all the hedges need to be taken down, all the vegetation taken up, any rubbish from the site cleared, and just a general take away everything that's not needed. I also need to reduce the ground levels just to get a flat ground to be able to set out the foundations on. In this instance, there's probably a lot more than normal, as the grounds are very overgrown and the garage also has to come down. There's a lot of rubbish in it as well. I'm hiring standard 6 cubic yard skips. These have got the advantage of being big enough to hold a lot of material, but they're low enough on the ends so you're able to run a wheelbarrow up into them. Years ago this would have all ended up in the landfill, but these days everything is recycled. The skips are taken back to a yard and they're emptied, and then all the different materials in them are sorted. All the plastic, steel, iron, etc. are separated out. Even the bricks, concrete and rocks, they're crushed up, broken down, and then eventually sold back to the building trade for hire. This brings me on to the cost involved. It's not only the hire of the skip, but what goes into it that makes a big difference in costs. So with a bit of planning, you can save quite a lot of money by separating the different materials into different skips. The most expensive skips are the general mixed rubbish. Locally here, the cost for hiring a 6 cubic yard skip of mixed rubbish is £222 per skip, including VAT. But if you put into it, instead of putting mixed rubbish, if you put in inert material, i.e. soil, clay, bricks, etc., this comes down to £138. So far I've had several skips of soil and rubble and just one of mixed. And also a further reduction can be had by just filling with clean rubble. If you just put in bricks and concrete, etc., this brings the cost down again to just £96. So when it comes to taking the garage down and breaking up the concrete floor, I'm going to make sure not to mix any soil or other material in with it. As you can see, you can save quite a lot of money just with a bit of forward planning. Also, a thing to remember is there are certain things that are not allowed at all into skips. Things like computer monitors, fluorescent tubes, paint, or for that matter any type of liquid, and of course asbestos of any kind. But putting any of these into a skip could result in a huge surcharge to the cost, so beware and check the company before filling. I hope this has been of some help for someone else doing a job like this. If you have enjoyed it, please take a moment, give us a thumbs up, and if you subscribe and hit the little bell icon, you'll get emailed whenever a new video comes out. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and until the next time, bye bye.